make a report, I declare that the House adjourned till 2 p.m. for the election of CM. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Declare that Dr. Sankhi Shankun, who has secured 20 votes, is hereby elected as chairman of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Now I call upon Dr. Sankhi Shankun to please come forward to occupy the chair and also to preside over the rest of the business of the House. Thank you all.
Members, but Martina, members in London, members, you can come and get the bone planet, European Candan, European Etega, the Confederate the Kenyan Oxman, keep popularity, but you deal what Rapi Pulon, Joker Zigampi, but come to let you Pulon to Prince and Rokobi. The Tony to Kagan, there's a Shibon, which we are king of Ochaman P. It is our Hagenport, the Kenyan. Opportunity were possible RJ like a session one election young CM. The next came over in the past and election of CM